Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my 5-day experience of drinking this apple cider vinegar all natural drink by Bragg's. I hope you guys enjoy this content and that you learn a little bit more about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. And does it really live up to the hype? Did it really help me to lose weight? Make sure you follow along to the end so you can see my results. Thanks again for stopping by. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you are all caught up on my content. Thanks again for watching. Happy Monday. So I am back today. I am off because I had to work over the weekend. So I am off today. And I am starting a 5-day challenge drinking these apple cider vinegar drinks. I'm not sure if you are aware of the benefits of apple cider vinegar, but they are numerous. They can cut fat, cut your blood pressure down, all types of health benefits associated with apple cider vinegar. Not to mention they're supposed to help you lose weight and lose weight quickly. So I'm going to be drinking one of these every day for 5 days and see what my results are. I will be stepping on the scale, taking my measurements, and a before and after picture. So I hope you guys follow along and let's see how good or bad this tastes. It definitely smells like apple cider vinegar. Oh, it's good. I like it. It's sweet. So I'm just gonna sip on this throughout the day, and basically before my meals, I will probably take just a big chug of it. So stay tuned, and I'll let you know how it turns out. All right, y'all. Today is day 2 of me drinking this apple cider organic Bragg's drink. And I'm really enjoying the benefits so far. I think I have a little bit more energy, and I definitely slept better last night than I typically do. As far as how is it working for like the detox and the fat loss, I'm not really sure. I can tell you that my digestive system is working a little bit better than it usually does, if you get my drift. Not gonna go into all the details of that, but yeah, things are moving, but not to the point where like I'm in the bathroom all day, if that makes sense. Might be too much information, but hey, y'all are here to talk about a detox drink, so that's what it is. So yeah, so far so good. I am liking it. The taste is really not bad at all. I mean, if you really despise vinegar, you probably won't like this drink, but hey, it's really not bad, and if it's gonna help me lose some of this weight, I am all for it. Good morning. Happy Saturday. So yesterday I completed the 5th day of the apple cider drink challenge, and I think I've probably lost some weight. I'm not really sure. I'm crossing my fingers that I did. I really enjoyed the challenge and definitely will continue on past the 5 days. Definitely saw a lot of benefits with the drink. Number 1 being my sleep was so much better. Number 2, my skin feels so much more moisturized, and I had a little bit more energy. So those were great benefits. Great benefits. I think I may have had better results if I had added in some exercise and if I drank even more water than I did. So next week I may add in some exercise and some more water. So let's go see what the scale says. Y'all, your girl stepped on the scale and I am down 6 pounds. 6 pounds in 5 days from drinking the apple cider vinegar honey drink by Bragg's. Y'all got to get on it. If you need to lose some weight, you got to get on it. For me, like seeing the scale move that much has really, really motivated me. So this coming week, I am definitely going to continue with the drink and will be adding in some exercise and will try to eat even healthier than I did last week, because last week I did cheat a couple days. I think one day I had a donut, or not a donut, I had a cupcake. And yeah, I didn't have soda last week, which is not typical of me. So that was one thing that I did not do last week. I didn't have any soda, but I did continue with my coffee, my juice, and I did not drink water every day like I should. So this vinegar drink definitely had a huge impact, I feel like, on my weight loss. And 6 pounds in 5 days, yeah, that's what's up. I also took my measurements. I am down 3 inches between my waist and my hips. I didn't do measurements of my chest area. I just did my hips and my stomach area because those are my trouble spots. So yeah, down 3 inches and 6 pounds in 5 days. Yeah, that's what's up. Y'all got to get on it. Got to get on it. Here's a close-up of the bottle of the drink that I'm having this week. It is the Bragg's Organic Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. Now, don't get this confused with just the regular Bragg's Organic Vinegar. If you buy just the organic vinegar, you cannot drink that without diluting it, okay? Do not drink just the vinegar without it being diluted. I have included a recipe here for something similar to this drink if you cannot find the drink already prepared. I will say the only place that I have found this so far has been Whole Foods. So if you don't have a Whole Foods near you, you may be able to find it at Kroger. We no longer have Kroger here in North Carolina, and they do not have it at any of the Harris Teeter locations that I have looked at. So I have included a recipe here that is similar, and it's just the apple cider vinegar, honey, and lemon, and distilled or spring water. The actual drink that I have does not have lemon in it, but the recipe that I found online does have lemon added. So you can try it. The main thing is to just have the apple cider vinegar because that's what has all of the benefits. And you'll see that some of the benefits for apple cider vinegar, the ones that I think really helped me the most was the appetite suppressant. And I slept like 100 times better. So those are the two main things that I really felt I benefited from, not to mention that it did aid in my weight loss. So like I said, definitely check this out. If you can't find the apple cider vinegar drink, you can make your own version. I will say one of my Instagram followers pointed out to me that the apple cider vinegar drink has 14 grams of carbs just in one serving. So that would be 28 grams in this whole bottle. So yeah, that is a lot of carbs. I get that. It has a lot of sugar in it as well. I think it has 13 grams of sugar in one serving. But for me, because this curbed my appetite so much, it limited the other cravings that I had. I was willing to sacrifice. So it's up to you how you want to, play that out or whatever. But for me, the drink really, really worked. So, yeah, check it out.